Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I got a new product I'm going to be installing today and do a little review on it. My girlfriend picked it out for the bathroom downstairs, and I think this is the last thing we need for the bathroom downstairs to complete that project. So we put the mirror in as you guys saw in the other video. And now we got this light fixture that she picked out. We're gonna put this over the medicine cabinet. All right, so let's get this open and do an unboxing review, and then I wanna go get some coffee, and then I'll come back and do an install once I get some of my energy. No tape. That's weird, no tape. All right, anyway, who cares? Let's just get it out and make sure it's not broken. That's my biggest concern. I mean, for 80 bucks, this thing is probably all plastic. If I had to guess, it's probably all plastic. You know, the instructions are probably really crappy, and you know, you get what you pay for. So, the Joosenhouse, which I bought, I don't know if I bought one of their products, but this was the most efficient LED I can get for my tenants. Like I said, it's still LED. You know, if I was really cheap, I would have got them, you know, a $19.99 fixture they got at Home Depot that I usually see in people's, you know, apartments and stuff like that. Even my girlfriend's apartment, they put the $19.99 fixture in there, and you have to swap out your own bulbs. So this was 80 bucks. I got this for my tenants, so it, you know, it's a lot nicer than what people usually get. They don't have to change out the LEDs. Like I said, it is on the lower end of the LEDs. You know, these can go up to a couple $100. This was $80, so I mean, you know, but they don't have to change out bulbs. I think it's gonna look nice, and that's it. My tenants, you know, should be happy. So pretty much here's the instructions on how to do it. So you can pause that if you want. But let's see, like I said, I'm pretty sure these aren't glass, which is good. I mean, you know, people have kids down here, because this is for the basement bathroom. So if you think about it, if people have kids down here, they're not going to be washing them all the time. So I don't want like glass and expensive stuff. It's just the way I think, you know what I mean? I'm trying to be good for my tenants, so I think about them, you know, first, you know, and how I would want it. So pretty much, I think this can go any way from what it looks like. I don't see an up and a down. Yeah, same exact thing. It can go either way. These go out like this, like this, like this, and like that. So yeah, that is some kind of an acrylic. So they spin like this. We can point them over the light like that, or my tenants can point them however they want. I really don't care. I don't see a way to tighten these, so I don't see, like this one falls, so I hope there's a way to tighten these. We're going to check that out when I install it, but I really hope there's a way. I'm guessing the screw part of the lights should go facing up. That's what I would guess. So yeah, so make sure that is, but we got to figure out if we have to tighten these nuts or something like that. All right, so we're going to figure that out. There's the box on the back, there's the transformer, so obviously this has to come out, but I don't have a screwdriver on me right now. And that's it for the unboxing. And what you can expect to get in the box. Now I'm going to go get my coffee because I am thirsty. Well, you know what, I'll take apart. The more I do now, the better. Man, that beeping is annoying, but I got new smoke alarms or whatever they are. That's what's beeping. I got all new ones for my tenants, so they won't be beeping anymore. And they say they last 10 years, those batteries on those detectors. That's such a lie. That must be in the most pristine conditions. Like, I mean, no humidity, no temperature change, no nothing. Because I don't get 10 years, I get like 5 years out of those things, and that's it. So here, this is a little bent already, and it came like that. So, but that looks like it's easy to bend back. Hopefully, it's strong enough to hold the weight. We got the line in, we got neutral, white and black is going to be wired into the wall in there, and then this is going to be put on the wall, and that's it. So I'm going to center line everything with the wall when I come back, and figure out where this is going to go out on the wall. And hopefully I don't need to build that out. If I had to, the mirror sticks out 4 or 5 inches from the wall, the medicine cabinet. So if I have to, I was thinking about adding a box onto, oh my God, look, you can't even see everything, I'm sorry, but whatever. So this thing was a little bit, but anyway, yeah, so if I was gonna add a box onto there, like a little 2-inch box, if I have to, over the mirror. So we're gonna see what it looks like while I'm putting it in. If I think it needs it, I'll pick one up. If not, then whatever, we'll go from there. But let's see what it looks like, because I wanna make sure that the lights are over the mirror and actually working, because if they're behind the mirror, it's going to create a shadow, and no one's going to want a shadow. There's no point of being in the bathroom with a shadow unless you're trying to scare somebody. So, alright. So, yeah, that's about it. We'll see you guys in a little bit when I get my coffee. I'll be back. Bye-bye.